Vision: a transformative learning institution producing globally competitive graduates. Mission: to deliver quality education and dynamic instruction, relevant researchers, and sustainable extension program gearing towards socio-economic development. Lesson: M. Moral uprightness. O. Optimism. N. Nationalism. C. Compassion. A. Adaptability. S. Service. T. Teamwork. Goals: number 1, produce competent graduates. Number 2, foster legacy and network. Number 3, synergize human capital.